Hi everyone, it's Amber and welcome to my Song Mashup Series. In the series, I'll be sharing with you how to play 4 songs using just 4 chords. So if you're short on time and you're wanting to learn as many songs as you can, then this lesson is for you. Stick around and let's get started. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you some songs from the 1980s. These are probably my 4 favorite songs to play on the guitar, and just your luck, they only need 4 chords. So first of all, you need to make sure that your guitar is in standard tuning, and we are not going to be needing a capo for this lesson. The 4 chords that you're going to be needing are G major, D major, E minor, and our C major. Let's practice those again. G, 2, 3, 4 to D, 2, 3, 4, E minor, 3, 4, and C, 2, 3, 4. We're keeping it super simple today. The strumming pattern that we're going to be using sounds like this. Down, down, up, up, down, up. Down, down, up, up, down, up. And if we put it together with the chords, it's going to sound like this. Take a moment now to pause the video and practice strumming and changing those chords in that sequence. Once you feel confident, then I'll see you in the next section of this lesson. Before we jump into playing these 4 awesome songs, I just want to make you aware that in the 3rd song, the chord sequence does change slightly. So if you just keep an eye on the words that will be up on the screen, you will not miss it. So let's start from the beginning on our G major. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I really hope that you enjoyed my mashup of my favorite 1980s songs, just using 4 chords and 1 strumming pattern. Don't forget to smash that like button, come on and join the Stellar Guitarist community, subscribe to my channel, and tune in every Sunday for a new song that I'll be releasing. Once again, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!